Welcome back, my awesome people. In today's episode, I will be highlighting a Canadian penny stock that I am heavily invested in and is on the brink of going big this year as we continue to deal with the pandemic. Medivolve Inc., ticker symbol MEDV, formerly known as Questrade Inc., which is a Canadian-based medical company. The company focuses on medical services and technology sectors, and during this pandemic, Medivolve has been focusing on developing and implementing medical solutions across the globe with a focus on the Roni pandemic. And with the United States President Joe Biden announcing a $1.9 trillion deal for the Roni pandemic, $47.8 billion from that $1 trillion package will go towards testing, contract tracing, and mitigation, including investing in laboratory capacity, community-based testing sites, and mobile testing units, particularly in medically underserved areas. Now, this is a huge opportunity. Wait, did I do it right? Huge opportunity for Medivolve. They already have a plan in place to install hundreds of Roni testing sites all over the US, and these mobile sites can be set up in any parking lot temporarily without spending a lot of money. Also, Medivolve has community-based shopping mall spaces already signed up to install collection sites, and all these collection sites are mobile cubes that can be moved anywhere. These cubes can be easily moved around to different areas. An estimated $30 to $40 million in revenues came from Q1. And Medv is sure to attract more and more attention in the coming weeks. This right here, my awesome people, is a hidden jewel, so don't miss the Medivolve train. And get bullish on that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and smash all the likes, bells, and whistles to help the channel grow and to get all my updates on many fantastic investments. And comment below with what you think about stocks that are in the pandemic sector, because I do reply to every comment. And guess what? Medivolve is on the Wealthsimple trade app. So if you are watching this video and do not have a Wealthsimple trade account and you want free money to trade with and $0 commission fees that won't eat into your profits, look at all those perks. Sign up with my Wealthsimple link down in the description box below for $25 of free real money. Yep, that's $25 of free real money that you can use to buy Medivolve or any other stock. Now, the management team at Medivolve had the vision to see what others had not early in 2020, the need for mobile testing at scale, and they knew just how to do it. After multiple agreements and a proven test run in California, Medivolve now has 64 mobile sites taking online bookings through their Test Before You Go website. And as of the latest press releases, Medivolve has supply agreements totaling over 740 mobile testing locations around the US, and Medivolve is moving towards fulfilling all those locations as soon as possible, and possibly by early April. Just think of that. Roughly 740 locations around the United States. That's impressive, and the agreements are already in place. And it is important to note that Medivolve has a number of other revenue streams other than just mobile testing sites. And once we have a better idea of what the other revenue streams are generating, the overall picture of the company will be much clearer. But for now, just considering the revenue from the mobile sites is growing and is enough in my opinion. Based on their January 14th, 2021 press release, Medivolve stated that they averaged about 75 tests a day at an average price of $95 US. And in past releases, Medivolve has stated many times that some sites process over 200 tests a day. And it is understandable that new sites will not process as many tests as those sites that have been up and running for longer, but let's see how much this works out to. Let's dig into the numbers. So each mobile testing location does 75 tests a day. So 75 tests a day at $95 each test. So that's about $7,125 per day in US dollars. Now let's multiply that by 30 days, which is about $214,000 per month. Now, it's important to know that this company is generating millions per month. And for those that say, who will be able to afford a $95 test? Well, insurance covers it. So the majority of people will not have to pay out of pocket. But remember, always do your own due diligence. Don't take the word of a clown on YouTube's word for it. Now, the good thing about Medivolve is that it has been very transparent to their investors for the past few months. But the biggest news to come out in the recent weeks is the purchase of 40% of Marvel Diagnostics, which will help complete their testing of their innovative blowfish device to help with testing. The possibilities for this technology are endless and would work extremely well with the mobile testing facilities that Medivolve is establishing. Imagine hundreds of testing facilities across the United States where you can get tested for a variety of illnesses by simply breathing into a device. Now, the potential revenue would be huge, and that isn't even accounted for in my previous calculation. And another major acquisition was acquiring 100% of Noble Bioscience Corp. And Noble Bioscience holds the rights to Nutral's surface shield technology in the United States, Canada, and the Caribbean countries. And Nutral's non-toxic silver surface shield technology is a Roni disinfectant that converts into a protective shield when air dry and killing a broad range of pathogens in only approximately 30 seconds of contact for up to 90 days of protection. And it is considered a green surface shield. So overall, as you can see, just by looking at one revenue stream, which is the mobile testing revenue, I believe that Medivolve is a great company to invest in based on all the press releases, the webinars, the interviews, and common sense opportunities for this company during a time like this. With the technology that they have and a proven revenue record, I believe this company is a solid investment right now, in the short term and well into the long term. I'd rather put my money in a company that is generating millions a month, has a proven business model, has room to scale up, and is not on the verge of bankruptcy, as many penny stocks currently are. So in the current landscape that we are living in, I personally, after looking at all the information and doing my own due diligence, I personally believe that the way we do business and medicine has forever changed. And Medivolve is in a prime position to grow with that change. And this is why I'm heavily invested in this company and will continue buying while it is still under 50 cents. But please do your own due diligence. And again, if you are watching this video and do not have a Wealthsimple trade account and you want free money to trade with and $0 commission fees that won't eat into your profits, look at all those perks, right? Sign up with my Wealthsimple link down in the description box for $25 of free real money to trade with to buy some Medivolve shares before they explode. So again, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and consult your own financial professional. Thanks. There is so much wealth out there for all of us to get a piece of. So by allowing our hard-earned money make us more money is the key to wealth and the key to financial success. So subscribe, like, and share to help out the channel, and so you will get notified of when I post my next Wealthsimple challenge update, my penny stocks, REITs, dividend, and speculative stocks from my portfolio. I want everyone to have the opportunity to get out of this work-life trap by buying back their freedom through investing. So let's all ride 2021 together on a journey of health, love, success. So until the next video, stay ranting.